Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Auxiliary Battery Replacement Guide 2024. Ever wondered why your car's electronics aren't working as expected? It might be time to check your auxiliary battery. In 2024, knowing when and how to replace your auxiliary battery is critical for maintaining your vehicle's performance. These small but vital batteries power essential systems like your car's start-stop function, infotainment, and more. In this video, we'll cover the signs that your auxiliary battery needs replacement, the steps to take for a smooth replacement process, and tips on choosing the best battery for your needs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or prefer professional help, you'll find valuable insights to keep your car running smoothly. Don't ignore the signs. A timely replacement will save you from headaches down the road. Understanding auxiliary batteries. Auxiliary batteries might sound technical, but they play a vital role in modern vehicles. These batteries are different from the main battery and have unique functions that you might not be aware of. Let's break down what an auxiliary battery is and how it supports your vehicle. What is an auxiliary battery? Auxiliary batteries are smaller batteries found in vehicles alongside the main battery. Unlike the primary battery, which powers the engine, the auxiliary battery takes care of additional tasks. So, what exactly do these batteries do? Auxiliary batteries ensure that the vehicle's electronics, such as dashboards, GPS, and other gadgets, run smoothly. Think of them as the battery for your game's controller, managing many tiny but crucial tasks without which the main game wouldn't run as smoothly. Role of auxiliary batteries in modern vehicles. In today's cars, it's not just about getting from point A to point B. Vehicles are now packed with infotainment systems, safety features, and advanced lighting. Here's where the auxiliary battery steps in. Infotainment systems. These entertain you during long drives. Whether it's playing music, navigating through GPS, or connecting your smartphone, the auxiliary battery makes sure these systems remain operational without draining the main battery. Lighting. From headlights to interior lights, auxiliary batteries ensure visibility and comfort. Imagine going on a night drive and suddenly all the lights going out. That's a scenario nobody wants to face. Safety features. Modern vehicles come equipped with numerous safety features such as ABS, airbags, and traction control. The auxiliary battery keeps these life-saving components ready at all times. When seconds count, you want to be sure that your car's safety systems are powered up and ready to protect you. Auxiliary batteries are the unsung heroes of your vehicle, providing reliable support to ensure modern comforts and safety features work seamlessly. They help distribute the electrical load, meaning that both the main and auxiliary batteries last longer by sharing the work. In essence, without auxiliary batteries, the convenience, safety, and overall efficiency of modern vehicles would take a serious hit. By handling the load of auxiliary systems, these batteries allow the main battery to focus on starting the engine and keeping it running. Signs of a failing auxiliary battery. If your vehicle's auxiliary battery is failing, you'll likely notice some telltale signs. From warning lights on your dashboard to poor performance of electrical systems, these indicators can help you identify the issue early and get it fixed before it leads to bigger problems. Warning lights and alerts. One of the first things you will notice when your auxiliary battery is on its last legs is the appearance of warning lights on your dashboard. Modern cars are equipped with sophisticated diagnostic systems that can detect when the auxiliary battery is not functioning properly. Battery light. This is usually the most straightforward indicator. If you see a battery icon glowing on your dashboard, it's a direct sign that something is wrong with your auxiliary battery. Check engine light. Although less specific, the check engine light can also illuminate when there are problems related to the auxiliary battery, especially if it impacts other engine sensors. Service vehicle soon light. Some cars have a general service indicator that will light up when the auxiliary battery fails. This light doesn't specify the problem but signals that your car needs attention. Ignoring these warning lights can lead to more severe issues down the road. Think of them as your car's way of waving a red flag. Poor performance of electrical systems. A failing auxiliary battery often shows itself through the poor performance of your vehicle's electrical systems. You might notice that some components don't work as they should or struggle to work at all. Dimmed headlights. Headlights may start to dim or flicker, making night driving hazardous. Slow power windows. If your windows take forever to roll up or down, it might be due to a weak auxiliary battery. Malfunctioning HVAC system. Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC, might not operate efficiently, making your drive less comfortable. Inconsistent audio system. Your radio or entertainment system might cut in and out or not work altogether. These symptoms can be incredibly frustrating, akin to a smartphone running on low battery, where nothing seems to work quite right. If you're experiencing these issues, it's time to get your auxiliary battery checked and possibly replaced. Choosing the right auxiliary battery for replacement. When it comes time to replace your vehicle's auxiliary battery, making the right choice is key. The auxiliary battery does more than just start your car. It powers all the extra features you love. So, how do you choose the best one? Let's break it down. Battery specifications to consider. Choosing a replacement auxiliary battery isn't just about picking the one that fits. You need to check a few specs to make sure it's the right match for your vehicle. Capacity. This is like the battery's fuel tank. Measured in ampere hours, higher capacity means the battery can run your car's extras longer. Make sure to match or exceed the original battery's capacity. Voltage. Most cars use a 12-volt battery. However, some vehicles might need different voltages. Check your car's manual to be sure you're picking the right one. Size. The battery must fit into the designated space. Measure the dimensions of your current battery or check the manual to get the right size. Some cars have limited space, and even a tiny size difference can make a big impact. Thinking about these specs helps ensure your new battery will work smoothly with your car. Don't just guess, double-check everything before making a purchase. Brand recommendations for 2024. In 2024, several brands stand out for making reliable and high-quality auxiliary batteries. Here's a list of some trusted names you might consider. Optima Batteries. Known for their durability and power. Optima's Yellow Top series are often recommended for auxiliary battery needs. Exide. Offers a range of auxiliary batteries that are both affordable and reliable. Their Edge AGM series is particularly popular. Bosch. A brand trusted globally. Their S6 AGM line provides long life and excellent power. Diehard. These batteries live up to their name. The Platinum AGM series are a top choice for many vehicle owners. Odyssey. Known for their long-lasting power, the Odyssey PC680 is loved by many car enthusiasts. These brands have proven themselves year after year. While the price can vary, investing in a reputable brand usually pays off in the long run. Consider your vehicle's needs and pick the one that feels right for you. When you're ready to buy, look at reviews and maybe even chat with your mechanic. They can offer insight based on their experience, helping you make the best choice. How to replace an auxiliary battery. Replacing an auxiliary battery might sound intimidating, but with the right tools and steps, it's a task you can handle on your own. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know, from the tools required to a step-by-step process for safely swapping out your old battery. That wraps up part 1 of our auxiliary battery replacement guide. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll walk you through choosing the right battery and the step-by-step replacement process. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.